Okay, let's okay. I think that what I wanted to do next is, instead of these being individual, like these, this one is coming off individual, I'm gonna combine these two, okay? And these two water closets also. Okay. So let's go to section view. What's going? Oh, okay. Alright. So I think that it should be lined up, right? Let's just make sure that our water closets are aligned. Okay. So let's go here, wireframe, and align 1, 2. Cool. Good. Let's go. Let's see. Make sure that they're not pinned, right? All right. So align one with the other. Okay. Now let's look in a different plane and make sure the horizontal, or the vertical is okay. So that would be here. And what reference can we use? Anything? I guess that could be a good reference, huh? Or you can see that it's so many. What have we got? Elevation from level 17, right? And we got 17. But just to make sure, Revit can be a little picky, right? I'll go here and here. Okay, now let's pin and pin. Okay. So I think so I can come off here, right? And go here. Should be able to. I'm gonna, I don't know, 6 of one, half dozen of the other, huh? Let's just make sure that I can get the pipe off of that fitting. Okay, and continue. How we doing? Can I get a heartbeat? Can I get my fixture units? Yeah, okay. Now let's go back to the first floor and mosey on down. Let's mosey. Okay. And let's look at the section view again, and we can do the same thing. I hope that this works out. Where are we? Over here. Okay. It should be 1, 2, buckle my shoe, right? 1, 2, okay. And we go here. And I think that, we do the same thing. Okay, and we can go all the way to the plumbing fixture. Where's let's get in a little closer so we can see where we're gonna, why won't that fit? I'm gonna go back. Okay, hold up, pause. Resume. Okay, so I'm gonna try to align these two pipes because I've aligned the two fixtures, but somehow it's not aligning the pipe. So I'm gonna align the pipes. Hopefully this works. So let's go here and here. And let's go in the top view and look at, okay, so we have, let's align this pipe with the second pipe. Now, come on, this is, okay. And now we just drag in and we're good, all right? Okay, so we got that. So what I can do from the, I don't know, I guess I can grab it from here. Let's see what happens. Just for fun. Draw a pipe, go to first floor. We can, you know what, I think I'm gonna go from here over. Okay, and go to the right. Click to enter pipe start point, right? This is click to enter pipe start point, which is here. Okay, here, and we can go, let's go 7. Okay, now I'm gonna align this vent. Okay. I think that's, yeah, everything looks good. Everything, these 2, these 4, these 6, these 8. Okay, and we got here. Now all I need to do, I think that's an individual. Okay, individual, these are going up to the second level, these vents. Okay, so if we can see, I'm going to align this pipe and that vent. Okay, now when we go to, we can go to any view now. What I need to do is tie in, let's see, let's go to third level, our 3D view. Okay, and where is our vent? Okay, so we are here, first level. So it's okay, I see what's going on. Pop. I can start from down here. I can do that. Let's just take a look at this. Okay, because my pipe is up here, so I can erase this elbow or fitting, right, and fill it here, 1 here, right? You guys see that? I hope so, because you need to be able to look in these views, okay, and see where you are. Okay, it's just, I don't know, I guess for some people it's just, anyway. So now I need to extend one pipe, or my vent pipe, to that pipe, right? And just to make sure we are counting, the fixture unit is not counting there, it's because it's not here. So what I need to do is here, I'm gonna delete, yes, okay, and what's that, a shadow? I don't want the shadow. Show edges, silhouette, what? Cast a shadow, no shadows. Okay, no shadows. Okay, let's go back. We are counting fixture units. So I am here and here. Now let's count that again. Count and 8. Okay, good. Now, okay, we're good. Everybody's got a heartbeat. Okay, we got 3 heartbeats. All right, 1, 3. Okay. 5. Oh, what? Oh, okay. That's because of the extra for the floor drain. Okay, that looks good. Where are we? First floor. We are first floor. Anything happening on the second level? Okay, those are our risers, right? That we need to get to eventually. But on the first level, everything looks good. So let's look at our entire I think that, do I have water? No water yet? Okay, we'll get to that. Okay, so we got vent, and our vent looks good. Okay. Yeah, so now, looking at that, we can go to our plot, right, which is what we're gonna be plotting, and then we can put our text on our drawing, right? So everything looks good, you know. I mean, it's coming off of the, we can make that adjustment, but okay, you can, you know, tag that any way you want. Okay, okay. Let me see, what if I got water? Yeah, let's look at the water. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Okay, those are the risers. You can tag that however you want. And again, we need to do our water piping for our water closets and these 3 urinals. Okay, that looks good. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there with the vent. Where are we? We're okay, and I think that the next time will be maybe the cold water in this area. We're gonna get the cold water. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I'll talk to you guys later.